In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and export sources in Perplexity. If you've ever used Perplexity to research a topic and wanted to double check where the information came from, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to find, review, and save the sources it used. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along on desktop or mobile. First, open Perplexity. You can start fresh with a new thread, or if you've already asked a question before, you can open one of your previous threads. Starting a new thread is helpful when you have a new question in mind, while revisiting an older thread is great if you want to pull the sources for something you've already researched. Once your thread is open and the answer is loaded, scroll down the page. Keep going until you see a section labeled Sources. This section appears below the main response and is where Perplexity lists the references it relied on to build the answer. It's designed to be transparent so you can see exactly which sites, articles, or documents inform the result. Next, click on the Sources section. This expands the view and shows you all the websites and sources Perplexity has used. You'll typically see the site name, the article title, and a link. You can open any of these in a new tab if you want to verify details, compare information, or explore further. This is especially useful if you're compiling research, citing your work, or just want to confirm credibility. If you need to keep a record, you have a couple of options. You can copy the list directly. Simply select the sources you want, highlight them, and copy. When you paste them into your notes or a document, consider keeping the titles with the links for clarity. This makes it easier to remember what each link refers to later. Alternatively, you can export the sources as a PDF. Look for the export option in the sources area and choose PDF. Perplexity will generate a clean document with the list of references. Save it to your device and give the file a clear name so you can find it later. A PDF is great for sharing with teammates or attaching to reports, since the formatting stays consistent. That's all there is to it. By scrolling to sources, clicking to view them, and then copying or exporting, you'll always have a reliable record of where your information came from. Thanks for watching, and happy researching.